वेदोक्तं भौकर्ममु व्यतकल्गु गतागतमु वेदोक्तं भौकर्ममु व्यतकल्गु गतागतमु नादात्मक त्यागराजा नादात्मक त्यागराज नादात्मक त्यागराज नाथ अप्रमेय सदानी भक्ति भाग्य सुखा निधि दे दे जन्म मुनि भक्ति भाग्य सुखा निधि वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्दानुभव मुगल वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्दानुभव मुगल वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्दानुभव मुगल वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्दानुभव मुगल वरनारद शरदिन्दुनि भावगनानगा शरदिन्दुनि भावगनानगा शरदिन्दुनि भावगनानग सारमुगानुभूमिक सारमुगानुभूमिक वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्द सकल लोक मूलकु सद्गुरुडनुचु सदानीनत तनुचुनु हरियु सकल लोक मूलकु सद्गुरुडनुचु सदानीनत तनुचुनु हरियु प्रकटं भुग कीर्तिनो संगेने प्रकटं भुग कीर्तिनो संगेने प्रकटं भुग कीर्तिनो संगिने भावुक त्यागराजनुत भावुक त्यागराजनुत भावुक त्यागराजनुत वरनारद नारायण स्मरणानन्दानुभव मुगल वरनारद मनसायटुलो तूने मो मनसायटुलो ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣುನಿ ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣುನಿ దీనుడవై భజన చేసిరినము గడువు మలిన నీవు వినవదేల గుణ విహీన మనసాయటులో తూనేమో మనవిని చేకొనవే ఓ మనసా కలిలో రాజసుతామస గుణములు కలవారి చదివి కలసి మెలసి తిరుగుచు మరి కాలము గడపకనే కలిలో రాజసుతామస గుణములు కలవారి చదివి కలసి మెలసి తిరుగుచు మరి కాలము గడపకనేల సులభముగా కడతేరెను సులభముగా కడతేరెను సూచనలను తెలియజేయుయిన కనువు మలిన నీవు వినవదేల గుణ విహీన సులభముగా కడతేరెను సూచనలను తెలియజేయుయినను త్యాగరాజు మాట వినవదేల గుణ విహీన మన సాయటులో తూనేమో మనవిని చేకొనవే ఓ మనసా శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ జయ గోవింద ముకుంద ఆనంద శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ జయ గోవింద ముకుంద ఆనంద శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ దీన శరణ్యన్ ఎనుம் பெயர் கொண்டாய் దీన శరణ్యన్ ఎనుం பெயர் கொண்டாய் దీన శరణ్యన్ ఎనుం பெயர் கொண்டாய் దీనం என்னை போல் வேறுவர் கண்டாய் దీన శరణ్యన్ ఎనుం பெயர் கொண்டாய் దీనం என்னை போல் வேறுவர் கண்டாய் శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ జయ గోవింద ముకుంద ఆనంద శ్రీనివాస తిరువెంకటముడయ ஜகம் புகழும் ஏழுமலை மாயவனே ஜகம் புகழும் ஏழுமலை மாயவனே திருமகளன் மேல் மங்கை மணாளனே ஜகம் புகழும் ஏழுமலை மாயவனே திருமகளன் மேல் மங்கை ಮನಾಳನೆ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಧರನೆ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಧರನೆ ತಿರುವಡಿ ಕಭಯಂ ಅಭಯಮಯ್ಯ ತಿರುವಡಿ ಕಭಯಂ ಅಭಯಮಯ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಮುಡಯ ಜಯ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಮುಕುಂದ ಆನಂದ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಮುಡಯ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ನಿಖಿಲ ವ್ಯಾಪಕ ನೀನೆ ವಿಶ್ವರಕ್ಷಕ ನೀನೆ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ನಿಖಿಲ ವ್ಯಾಪಕ ನೀನೆ ವಿಶ್ವರಕ್ಷಕ ನೀನೆ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರ ಬುಧ ನೀನೆ ರಾಹು ಕೇತು ನೀನೆ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರ ಬುಧ ನೀನೆ ರಾಹು ಕೇತು ನೀನೆ ಕವಿ ಗುರು ಶನಿಯು ಮಂಗಳನು ನೀನೆ ಕವಿ ಗುರು ಶನಿಯು ಮಂಗಳನು ನೀನೆ ದಿನರಾತ್ರಿಯು ನೀನೆ ನವವಿಧಾನವು ನೀನೆ ದಿನರಾತ್ರಿಯು ನೀನೆ ನವವಿಧಾನವು ನೀನೆ ಭವರೋಗ ಹರ ನೀನೆ ದೇಶಜನು ನೀನೆ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ಋತುವತ್ಸರವು ನೀನೆ ವ್ರತಯುಗಾದಿಯು ನೀನೆ ಋತುವತ್ಸರವು ನೀನೆ ವ್ರತಯುಗಾದಿಯು ನೀನೆ ಕ್ರತು ಹೋಮಯ ಸಗತಿಯು ನೀನೆ ಕ್ರತು ಹೋಮಯ ಸಗತಿಯು ನೀನೆ ದಿಟವಾಗಿ ಎನ್ನೊಡೆಯ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೆ ದಿಟವಾಗಿ ಎನ್ನೊಡೆಯ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೆ ಶ್ರುತಿಗೆ ಸಿಲುಕಾದ ಪ್ರತಿಮ ಮಹಿಮಾ ನೀನೆ ಶ್ರುತಿಗೆ ಸಿಲುಕಾದ ಪ್ರತಿಮ ಮಹಿಮಾ ನೀನೆ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ ನಿಖಿಲ ವ್ಯಾಪಕ ನೀನೆ ವಿಶ್ವರಕ್ಷಕ ನೀನೆ ಸಕಲ ಗ್ರಹ ಬಲ ನೀನೆ ಸರಸಿಜಾಕ್ಷ
Namaskaram. This is Avantika Narasimhan from Dubai. Today I'll be singing a couple of songs composed by various great musicians about Lord Rama, Sita and Hanuman to mark the occasion of Sri Ramanavami. I apologize in advance for any mistakes that I may have made or any errors in recording, since I've tried to record these songs in the middle of my work hours whenever I manage to find the time. I am currently working as a frontline physician in the ICU of a field hospital in Dubai, dedicated to treating COVID patients. It's been quite an overwhelming year for all of us, so I would like to begin with the song Punnagai Ondre Podume by Sri Ambujam Krishna in the Ragam Hamsanandi and Thalam Adi.
புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே இஹ பர விருந்தாகுமே மருதாகுமே 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 புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே தன்னிகரில்லாத சொல்தர தோளுடையாய் தன்னிகரில்லாத சொல்தர தோளுடையாய் தன்னிகரில்லாத சொல்தர தோளுடையாய் தன்னிகரில்லாத சொல்தர தோளுடையாய் வண்ணமாய் மார்பமர் வனிதையுடன் வண்ணமாய் மார்பமர் வனிதையுடன் புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே இஹ பர விருந்தாகுமே மருந்தாகுமே புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே நிறைந்து நின்றாய சூர நிறைந்து நின்றாய சூர பாலனை காத்திட நிறைந்து நின்றாய சூர பாலனை காத்திட பறந்து சென்றாய் ஒரு யானைக்கு பருதிட நடந்து சென்றாய் கன்னிசாபமும் அகற்றிட நினைவொரு நங்கைக்கு அருள் சுனந்தாய் நினைவொரு நங்கைக்கு அருள் சுனந்தாய் பறந்து நடந்து நீ நொந்திட வேண்டாம் பதமலர் பணியும் அடிமையனக்கும் பறந்து நடந்து நீ நொந்திட வேண்டாம் பதமலர் பணியும் அடிமையனக்கும் புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே இஹ பர விருந்தாகுமே மருதாகுமே புன்னகை ஒன்றே போதுமே
So, since almost the same time last year, the world has been exposed to the coronavirus. So, I'd like to take this opportunity to talk a little bit about the virus as well as the vaccines. There are a lot of WhatsApp forwards, assumptions, and myths out there that may not always be true. For example, a very common myth is that taking antibiotics can prevent or cure COVID and help you get better. COVID is caused by a virus, and antibiotics only work against bacteria. So, antibiotics are essentially useless against COVID unless there is a superadded infection by a bacteria on top of the coronavirus, as is most commonly seen in lung infections, also known as pneumonia. Another common misconception is that vaccines can cause COVID. This is not true. Since none of the currently available vaccines use the live form of the virus, let me make it very clear that they cannot give you COVID or cause illness to the people around you. Anyway, how do the COVID vaccines work? Well, different vaccines work in different ways, but in the end, all of the vaccines leave the body with something called the memory lymphocytes. These memory cells will help fight the virus in the future. After vaccination, it typically takes around 2 weeks to produce these memory lymphocytes. This means that you can still get sick with COVID just before or after vaccination because the vaccine hasn't exactly had enough time to work its magic yet. So before I delve further into this topic, I'd like to invoke the blessings of Lord Rama by singing Rama Ekanannu, composed by Sri Patnam Subramanya Iyer, set in the Ragam Sahana to the Talam Rupakam.
Rama Ekanannu Brovarada Rama Ekanannu Brovarada Dayaleda Shri 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 Rama Ekanannu Brovarada Tamasum Bhujesite Tamasum Bhujesite Kika Tamasum Bhujesite Kika Tamasum Bhujesite Kika Tamasum Bhujesite Kika Tarnenu Parulenu Vedanu Shri Rama Tamasum Bhujesite Ikatalenu Parulenu Vedanu Shri Rama Ekanannu Brovarada Dayaleda Shri Rama Ekanannu Brovarada Arushatruలను బట్టి హతము చేసి పూర్వాచిత శత్రువులను బట్టి హతము చేసి పూర్వార్జిత ఘోర పాపములను భోగోటి నే చేసినాటి నేరములను మన్నిల్చి నేరములను మన్నిల్చి నీవే కావలెను గణి నేరములను మన్నిల్చి నీవే కావలెను గణి వేరెవరు నా ఋషి వెంకటేశ శ్రీకర శ్రీరమ ఇక నన్ను బ్రోవరాదయలేద శ్రీరమ ఇక నన్ను బ్రోవరాద.
There are so many different types of vaccines out there, and it can get pretty confusing trying to choose which one to take. It's not an easy decision to make, especially when there are so many claims about adverse effects floating around. So, just a general overview. There are currently 4 different kinds of vaccines available on a large scale. That is the mRNA, inactivated virus, viral vector, and protein subunit vaccines. And no, none of these vaccines will alter your DNA in any way. So first, let's talk about the mRNA vaccine. The 2 main vaccines using the mRNA technology are Pfizer and Moderna. What exactly is mRNA? mRNA is basically genetic material that tells your body how to make proteins. So the mRNA in the vaccine teaches your body how to make spike proteins similar to the one found in the virus that causes COVID. This way, when you are exposed to the real virus later, your body will recognize it and know how to fight it off. Pfizer and Moderna have an efficacy rate of around 95%, which is pretty high. Current research, in fact, new research actually suggests the protection of Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, the protection that these vaccines give against COVID lasts for at least 6 months. Although common adverse effects like pain at the site of injection, fever, chills, headache, and nausea have been reported, this is expected of any new vaccine. But none of them have any serious side effects reported so far. Next, I'll be singing the song Jagelera Rama in the Ragam Hemavati Adithalam, composed by Vinjamuri Varadaraja Iyengar.
Jagelera Rama Jagelera Rama Jagelera Nannu brochudaku Jagelera Nannu brochudaku Jagelera Nannu brochudaku Jagelera Nannu brochudaku vegaravade mira Rama Jagelera Nannu brochudaku vegaravade mira Rama Jagelera brochudaku vegaravade mira Rama Jagelera Nannu चूट कूवे गरावरे मीर रामा जागेल रागरत्न माली गजरंजलो रागरत्न माली गजरंजलो रागरत्न माली गजरंजलो रागरत्न माली गजरंजलो त्यागराज दीपशी निलयवास त्यागराज दीपशी निलयवास जागेलरा ननु ब्रोचूट कूवे गरावरे वीर रामा करिराजु मोरानिडिनदने करुण्यमुतो कवगलेदा करिराजु मोरानिडिनदने करुण्यमुतो कवगलेदा वरभक्त पोषवागीशनुद वरभक्त पोषवागीशनुद वरदराज सेवितराजराज वरदराज सेवितराज राज जागेलरा ननु चूट कूवे गरावरे मीर रामा जागेल
So let's see. I've already spoken about the mRNA vaccines. Next, we've got the vaccines with the inactivated virus. This mainly includes Covaxin in India by Bharat Biotech, Sinopharm and Sinovac, primarily manufactured by China. Inactivated viral vaccines are also called killed vaccines. This means that the vaccine contains coronavirus that is killed or inactivated using heat or chemicals. The viral particles essentially still maintain some of their integrity to be recognized by the immune system to produce a response. But because inactivated viruses tend to produce a weaker response by the immune system compared to live virus vaccines such as MMR, multiple booster injections may be required to provide an effective immune response against the virus, if that makes sense. For example, research has shown that a third dose of Sinopharm is needed for many people after a weak immune response from just the first 2 doses. Efficacy data on Sinopharm and Sinovac are unclear at present, although they have been ranging from around 50 to 70%. For Covaxin, efficacy has been reported to be around 81%. None of these vaccines have any serious side effects reported as of now. Before I speak about the remaining vaccines, let's take a moment to invoke the blessings of Goddess Sita to help us overcome any difficulties that we may be facing. The song Dehi Tava Pada Bhaktim is composed by Tyagaraja Swami, once again in the Raham Sahana set to the Talam Adi.
Dehi Tava Pada Bhaktim Dehi Tava Pada Bhaktim Dehi तव पद भक्तिं ऐकमूष्मिक फलदे ऐकमूष्मिक फलदे ऐकमूष्मिक फलदे ऐकमूष्मिक फलदे ऐकमूष्मिक फलदे कमलासनन न्यजवर जननी कमलासनन न्यजवर जननी देहि तव पद भक्तिं वै देहि पतित पावनी में सदा देहि तव पद भक्तिं शरणागत जनपालने शरणागत जनपालने शतमुखामद दामने शरणागत जनपालने शतमुखामद दामने तरुणारुणाब्ज नयने तरुणारुणाब्ज नयने तरुणारुणाब्ज नयने तरुणारुणाब्ज नयने त्यागराज हृत्सदने देहि तव पद भक्तिं वै देहि पतित पावनी में सदा देहि तव पद भक्तिं
Okay, so next we have the viral vector vaccines. This works similar to the mRNA, which instructs the body to produce spike proteins like that of the COVID-19 virus. But instead of mRNA, it uses a harmless version of a different virus, which is called a vector, to deliver the instructions to the body. Again, this does not change your DNA in any way. It does not contain the actual virus, and it cannot give you COVID. So we have the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, Oxford's AstraZeneca, which has been rebranded in India as Covishield. Then you've got the Russian vaccine, which is Gamaleya's Sputnik. China's CanSino. All of these are viral vector containing vaccines. Russia's Sputnik is around 92% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID-19. Johnson & Johnson has an efficacy of around 66% overall, and AstraZeneca is reported to be around 70% effective. Recently, there have been some reports about a rare but serious blood clotting disorder called the cerebral venous sinus thrombosis. This has been associated mostly with Johnson & Johnson and the AstraZeneca. 6 cases have been reported after 7 million people have been vaccinated with Johnson & Johnson in the US. These 6 cases are unique because they occurred with thrombocytopenia, which means low platelets. AstraZeneca has reported similar cases at the rate of about 4 per million vaccinations. Yes, this condition is serious, but it is very much treatable. So, just to give you a little bit of clarity, in contrast, cerebral venous sinus thrombosis of any type occurs much more frequently in COVID-19 cases, which is at the rate of around 40 to 200 per million cases. This means that it is 50 to 100 times more common with COVID-19 than in the general population or with vaccination. So to take a breather from the COVID-19 information, the next song is Appa Rama Bhakti in the Ragam Pantvarali. Talam is Rupakam and the composer is Tyagaraja Swami.
Appa Rama Bhakti yanto Appa Rama Bhakti yanto Goparama Appa Rama Bhakti yanto Goparama Goparama Parama Bhakti yanto 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 Goparama ತ್ರಿಪಡಲನು ದೀರ್ಚಿಕಂಡಿ ತ್ರಿಪಡಲನು ದೀರ್ಚಿಕಂಡಿ ತ್ರಿಪಡಲನು ದೀರ್ಚಿಕಂಡಿ ರೆಪವಲೆನು ಗಾಜು ಪರಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ತ್ರಿಪಡಲನು ದೀರ್ಚಿಕಂಡಿ ರೆಪವಲೆನು ಗಾಜು ಪರಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ಗೋಪರಾಮ ಪರಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ಗೋಪರಾಮ ಕವಿವಾರಿದಿದಾಡುನ ಕಲಿಗಿರೋದಗಡುನ ಕಪಿವಾರಿದಿದಾಡುನ ಕಲಿಗಿರೋದಗಡುನ ಅಪರಾಧಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜು ಆನಂದ ಮೋಹೆ ಜುನಾಪ ರಾಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ಅಪರಾಧಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜು ಆನಂದ ಮೋಹೆ ಜುನಾಪ ರಾಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ಗೋಪರಾಮ ಪರಮ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಂತು ಗೋಪರಾಮ
So, when will this pandemic end, you may ask? Like my amma makes it a point to ask me at least 10 times a week. When majority of the world's population has been vaccinated and herd immunity takes effect, that's when we can begin to curb the serious illness caused by COVID. Finally, I'd like to conclude by invoking the blessings of the powerful Lord Hanuman. When Lakshmana was badly wounded by the powerful weapon that was hurled at him by Indrajit, Hanuman lifted an entire mountain harboring the Sanjeevani plant and brought it to save the life of Lakshmana. Similarly, I'd like to believe that Hanuman can give us the strength to get through this pandemic or any other problems that we may be facing and protect us along the way. The song is called Marute Namostute in the Ragam Bhairavi, set to the Talam Rupakam and composed by Sri Lalita Dasar.
Marute namostute Marute namostute pahi mamate Marute namostute pahi mamate Marute namostute pahi mamate Marute namostute pahi mamate Marute Merudira Mahavira Merudira Mahavira Merudira Mahavira Merudira Mahavira Marasudana Avatara Merudira Mahavira Marasudana Avatara Vairivarga Madhavidara Vairivarga Madhavidara Narada Vipa Garvara Marute Namostute pahi mamate Marute Ramachandra Dasavara Premazandra Shubhantara Ramachandra Dasavara Premazandra Shubhantara Ramanama Sudhapura Mukha Harivara Bhumija Vyadavara Bhimazodara Kshamara Kshamadadri Samakara Kshamadadri Samakara Kshamadadri Samakara Kshamadadri Samakara Shri Lalita Dasanuta Marute Namostute pahi mamate Marute Marute
Thank you for listening in. If you have any other questions regarding COVID or anything else medical that I can help you with, please don't hesitate to send it over to me through Partha Swamin, who I'd like to thank for this humble opportunity. I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions to the best of my ability. Here is one last tiny piece of information. Since the coronavirus is capable of mutation, different variants of the virus have been emerging, out of which the most prevalent one at the moment is called the B117 variant. This variant has been shown to be 40 to 80% more transmissible and infectious than the previous variants. This means that it can lead to more serious illness and can easily jump from one person to another. However, research has shown that currently available vaccines are seen to be effective against the B117 variant. In view of this, please remember to practice proper hand hygiene, wear your masks, get vaccinated, and stay protected. Thank you. Adiyen Dhanusmi.